Gusto mo ba ng complete finished townhouse sa Imus na swak sa budget? Nova Stella Residences ang sagot kung gusto mo ng fully finished home sa prime area ng Imus. Complete finish na siya with tiles, painted walls, 2 toilet and bath with 3 bedrooms and balcony, at maaliwalas na layout, lipat gamit na lang. Sobrang lapit sa Cavitex at Metro Manila. Super accessible to Aguinaldo Highway, Daang Hari, schools, malls, at public transport. Perfect for everyday commuters at families na laging on the go. Pre-selling pa ang units, kaya sobrang gaan bayaran for as low as 16,000 monthly. Available through Pag-ibig at bank financing. Take note, kahit naka-pre-selling pa siya, mabilis lang ang turnover dito. Ideal para sa starting families, OFWs, renters, at young professionals na gusto nang mag-invest sa sariling bahay. At ito pa ang good news! Ang daming promos at discounts ni Nova Stella, kaya i-grab mo na ang chance habang available pa. Few units left na lang. Message me now para makuha mo ang updated map, sample computation, at schedule ng viewing.